In the vast, frozen expanse of the Arctic, a kingdom of ice and snow, reigns a true monarch, the polar bear. Ursus maritimus, the sea bear. This magnificent predator is a symbol of resilience, perfectly sculpted by evolution to thrive in one of the planet's most unforgiving environments. But today, this kingdom is melting, and its ruler faces an uncertain future. Let's journey into their world to understand their life, their struggles, and the fight for their survival. Polar bears are built for the cold. Beneath their iconic white fur, which is actually transparent and hollow to trap heat, lies a thick layer of blubber, sometimes over 4 inches thick. This insulation is so effective that they can overheat even in freezing temperatures. Their massive paws act like snowshoes, distributing their weight to walk on thin ice, while rough paw pads and non-retractable claws provide excellent grip. Their sense of smell is extraordinary. They can detect a seal, their primary food source, from nearly 20 miles away. Life in the Arctic is a constant hunt. Polar bears are masters of patience, often waiting for hours by a seal's breathing hole in the sea ice. When a seal surfaces for air, the bear strikes with lightning speed. This high-fat meal is crucial for building up the energy reserves needed to survive long periods of scarcity. The sea ice is their hunting ground, their highway, and their home. Without it, they cannot effectively hunt their main prey. In the depths of winter, a pregnant female will dig a maternity den in a snowdrift. Here, she gives birth to 1 to 3 tiny, helpless cubs. For the next few months, the den is their entire world. The mother survives on her fat reserves while nursing her cubs with rich milk. When they finally emerge in the spring, she begins the vital task of teaching them how to navigate the ice, how to hunt, and how to survive. This bond is strong, but after about 2 years, the cubs must venture out on their own, ready to start their own solitary lives. Despite their immense size, polar bears are surprisingly skilled swimmers. They use their large front paws to propel themselves through the chilly Arctic waters, sometimes swimming for days at a time to travel between ice floes or reach land. They are truly marine mammals, as at home in the water as they are on the ice. But the world of the polar bear is changing at an alarming rate. Climate change is causing Arctic sea ice to melt earlier in the spring and form later in the fall. This shrinking platform means less time to hunt seals, forcing bears to expend more energy searching for food. We see more bears driven ashore, sometimes coming into conflict with human communities as they scavenge for alternative food sources. Their very survival is tied to the fate of the ice. The story of the polar bear is not just about one species. It's a powerful indicator of our planet's health. The challenges they face are a direct consequence of a warming world. But there is still hope. Global efforts to reduce carbon emissions, protect Arctic habitats, and promote coexistence between humans and bears are underway. Scientists are working tirelessly to monitor their populations and understand how we can best help them adapt. The future of the King of the Arctic rests in our hands. By taking action to combat climate change, we can help ensure that these incredible animals continue to roam the frozen north for generations to come. Their resilience is an inspiration, but they cannot face this challenge alone. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about conservation efforts, please follow the links in the description.